So this is a Toyota Innova 2020 model 4x2 automatic transmission po yan, e-variant. So makukuha nyo lang to mga boss sa 240,000.
Mura at dekalidad na sasakyan ba ang hanap nyo? Tara, punta na kayo dito. So mga bossing, we have here a newly acquired unit. This is a Toyota Innova 4x2 automatic transmission po itong mga bossing. This is equipped with 2.8 engine displacement, diesel engine displacement po yan mga bossing. This is good fit for naghanap kayo ng pampamilya. This is best fit for you mga bossing. At this unit pala is a Cebu unit mga bossing. It's a 7-seaters. Tapos super fresh from front to the back. Napakasariwa po yan mga bossing. Yung gulong, tapos dito sa harap niya mga bossing, naka-chrome to lahat. Yung base model nito is wala pa, black lang to dito.